Hi, I'm Jules, a speech pathologist of 13 years. The question that came through was from a mum who was saying her son is using little phrases, but he's getting a little bit confused and mixed up with the words. So the phrase that he was confusing is, I don't know. He was actually saying, I know not. So he's still learning and getting that phrase together, but something you can do at home to support that is have that repetition, but in a fun way. So in like an activity that he will like. It's functional, it's fun, it's engaging, and children learn and retain a lot more when they're having fun rather than just someone saying, say I don't know, say I don't know, and getting them to repeat themselves. It doesn't work. They usually move away or they become distracted. So the fancy word for this is auditory bombardment, and it means that you go over and over again that phrase. So for example, this is my pretend child. I might say things that go, ooh, what's inside? I don't know. So it becomes quite fun and repetitive. Oh, we can open. What's inside? I don't know. It's a phone. So you would like lift it up. So I'll show it this way. We might say something like, what's behind here? I don't know. Oh, garbage truck. We'll do another one. What's inside? I don't know. Oh, hey. So you're getting that repetition. You can skip books, you can cover it and go, oh, what's in here? I don't know. Oh, it's a rocket. So having that repetition over and over again and using the gesture such as shaking the head, putting your arms up and going, I don't know, in that little sing-song voice helps with the memory, and your child will also be more likely to respond if you do some backward chaining, which is a fancy name to say, you say most of the phrase, but you leave the last word out. So you might say, what's under here? I don't, and they may say, no. Ice cream. Well done, we finished. Let's do another one. So I hope you found that helpful. Feel free to keep sending your questions in. I'm happy to answer them and do a little video to demonstrate.